Alright guys, welcome back to our next episode of King Kush Creative Cooking. And today, we are going to attempt to make the Big Mac, you see me? Home style, you get me? So right this you know me have my egg, me have my flour, seasoned flour. Me have my lettuce them cut up already. So me have my burger bun. Me have my thing them if you make me, you know what you call it? Sauce, yeah? Me have relish, me have pickle. I have mayonnaise, I have ketchup, and I have vinegar. You see me? And see me have my chicken breast them they pound out, ready to season up and fry. You get what I say? Yeah. So guys, make sure say if you don't subscribe as yet, you give me a subscribe please. Like, share, and comment. Zin? Alright. Alright guys, so see my chicken they season up, you understand what I mean? Well seasoned up, you see me? Well seasoned up and nice. And see me egg them, I go put it in the egg batter first, then the flour. You understand what I mean? Yeah. Egg butter first, then the flour. You get me? Yeah. So that is it guys. Watch and learn. So you can see my chicken in there so well flour. You get me I say? Yeah. And my oil layer so hot. You understand what I mean? Yeah. So next process I have to fry it. You get me? Yeah. Alright guys, so time for adding the chicken now guys. Shake off any excess flour. That is it. You understand? Yeah, that is it guys. Alright guys, so see finishing product there, you see me? Yeah, done fry my chicken them. Yeah? So sauce time. It's all about the sauce. Yeah. Alright. Alright guys, so watch out this on my sauce guys, you see me? Sauce done make everything there here now guys. A time for assemble. You see me? Oh, and me pickle them. Now I cut me pickle them. You understand? Yes, me pickle them. Time for assemble. So guys, this is our first layer, right? Yeah, and we are going to repeat the same thing with the next layer, okay? See there? The sauce, well sauce up on the bun. Alright? Okay. Amen. Yeah guys, so that's the finishing product guys, you see me? Yeah. That is it. Leave a comment guys and tell me what you think. Remember, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Alright, so my bro there, and I make him do a taste test. You see me? See there? We cut it. See, look there when it cut. Buckle and mud, you know. See, look there when it cut. The dog are going to do a taste test and tell me how it tastes. You see me? Honest opinion. Yeah.
Thing right tonight, man.
That's everything right, sir.
Thing right, not taste right. So right now, even taste better than the next burger, you know.
Alright, my boss, respect.